7, 8, 9, 10. Wherever you are, don't come out. What is it? What's it saying? Ready or not, here we go.
The moon. That's the moon. Higher than the world.
Au centre de l'État de votre vol, également une variété d'aliments et de boissons au moins.
When we put her down, see if she likes it.
Took some convincing, but she's in the sand, playing with it, kind of eating it. Oh! Oh no, that's just an ant. Never mind. No, this is gonna fall.
Eat it.
Yeah. Good morning, this is day 2 and I'm currently outside with this gremlin because she woke up earlier and we don't want to wake up Eric or her brother.
What if you saw a crocodile?
I'd freak the fuck out. Don't talk about that while I'm swimming. What's wrong?
You have to be prepared for it. You have to be prepared for anything.
Oh.
You're like a Neanderthal.
What else you want?
drop it. This one?
You touched me!
The number to disrupt the AI trade, got the market to overreact to it.
This is all I want.
Eric said he saw a dolphin, but I think he's making shit up and or has bad eyes.
Not fucking dolphin. Look at all the seaweed that's washed up into our little thing.
Yeah. I'm surprised that it's still, our mountain is still standing.
It is currently 4:06 p.m. in Cancun. My daughter is napping and I'm sitting outside doing some work while also watching the ocean. So it's a pretty perfect setup. We have 2 more days left in Cancun before we leave on Sunday and head back to a wonderful -20 back in Edmonton. So we're definitely soaking up as much sun and sand and ocean as possible. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the video here. So if you've watched this far, then thank you so much. As always, I appreciate the support, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.